Hey y'all, welcome to another WordPress Wednesday. If you watch my channel, you know that I love the Divi theme from Elegant Themes. This theme is mind-blowing, super cool. One of the features that it has inside of it is its own page builder that allows you to drag and drop and create really cool layouts. But it also gives you the ability to save those layouts and create them almost as templates, if you will. And there's another really cool feature called the global layout or the global module that allows you to save an element and then make one change to it. You can use it a ton of places. You can use it globally throughout your website. You make one change to it and it changes across the board. Now that's something that normally would work inside of a WordPress website if you're using a widget box, right? If you're using it on your right sidebar or left sidebar or in your footer area, we all know that you can make a change to it and then it changes on all the web pages or posts. But it's very rare that you have the opportunity to make a change to inside page content and have it change across the board where it's displayed. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Check this out, you guys. I've got an example here of our specials page where we offer monthly specials and special offers. Let's think about this. This is monthly, so it needs to be changed monthly. So here it is June. We need to change this and get this up to June information. But if I have this displayed in multiple places other than just our specials page, what if I have this, like I do, displayed on our home page? I'm going to scroll down here to our home page, and it's down toward the bottom. There it is again. The last thing I want to be doing is coming over here and having to make changes to every single page. So what I've done is I've created this section on my page, and I've saved it as a global module, as a global section. And that allows me to, again, any page I log on to, if I wanted to make a change to it right here, I could change it all right here, and over on our specials page, once I click save, it would change it here as well. So let me show you where to go in and do that. I'm going to jump back over here for a second. I'm in pages right now. So I want to use the Divi builder, right? And if you go in here, you see right away that we can save something to the library, we can load a layout, or we can clear this entire layout. Loading a layout gives you opportunities to use pre-made layouts and options from Divi, or these are some in here that I've already created. Now, if I needed to get to my global section, there's a little interesting trick. And again, if somebody didn't show you this, you'd really bang your head up against the wall trying to figure it out. But I'm going to show you this right here. To add a global section, you actually want to come here, add from your library, and it gives me all of these green sections are our global sections. Super cool. So I'm going to load the special columns, and you see here that they're all green. Let's preview this, and you'll see on my testing page that we have the monthly specials section listed there now. So that's one of the ways you can load the section. If you wanted to create a section and save it as a global, this is what you do. You'd build it out here. Then over here on this blue, you would right mouse click, say save to library, you would title it, and then you would check this box and make it a global item, allowing you to save it across the board. Use it in multiple locations. Isn't that so cool? Tinker around with that, have fun with it. If you have questions, of course, reach out to the Divi team because you've purchased a license that comes with support. But you can also give me questions down in the comment thread below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. I hope to see y'all next WordPress Wednesday. Bye, y'all.